Hi friends, welcome to Mam's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare very easy 1 minute microwave mug cakes. We are going to prepare 3 different flavors: birthday cake, brownie and cookie. First let's look at the ingredients. To a mug add 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons sugar. If you want more sugar you can add 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons milk. After adding milk, add 2 tablespoons oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Half teaspoon vanilla essence. A pinch of salt. And quarter teaspoon baking powder. After adding all the ingredients, mix everything together using a fork. After mixing well, batter will be ready. Finally, add some choco chips on top. This is optional, but if you add, it will be more yummy. Place the mug in the microwave and microwave it for 1 minute. If it's a low power microwave, you can microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. After 1 minute, microwave mug cake will be ready. Before serving, you can sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. This is optional. If you want, you can sprinkle it or serve it as such. You can see that this super easy brownie mug cake is very soft and moist. To a mug, add 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons milk, quarter teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon oil, a pinch of salt and some sprinkles. After adding all the ingredients, mix everything well together with a fork. Now the batter is ready. You can add some more sprinkles on top. Now place it in the microwave and microwave it for 1 minute. If you are using low power microwave, you can microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once you microwave, birthday cake flavored mug cake will be ready. This easy and simple mug cake will be very moist and soft like this. To a mug, add 5 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons tightly packed brown sugar, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons oil. I'm using vegetable oil, half teaspoon vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, finally quarter teaspoon baking powder, followed by some choco chips. After adding all the ingredients, mix everything together with a fork. After mixing well, add some more choco chips on top. Place the mug in the microwave and microwave for 1 minute. If you're using a low power microwave, microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now yummy choco chip cookie flavored mug cake is ready. All these super easy mug cakes will be moist and soft. If you have a smaller mug, use the smaller mug so that it will be filled with cake. You can see how soft and yummy the choco chip flavored mug cake is. Serve these super yummy mug cakes as such warm, or you can also let it cool down and add some ice cream and sprinkles on top and enjoy it. Try these super quick and yummy mug cakes. Also involve your kids when you prepare these. It's super fun and also safe for them. If you guys like my recipes, as usual, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.